Hello, my cuties. Welcome back. Today I brought you a book from the Peppa's on the Go book set. So let's say what is today's book is gonna be George's Train Ride. Choo 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 choo. George is going on an overnight train journey. He is very excited, but where will he sleep? Let's see. George is going on a long train journey with Daddy Pig to test some concrete. Peppa and Mummy Pig have come too. Choo, 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 cries George. He loves riding on the train. Full steam ahead, shouts Miss Rabbit, the train driver. Are we nearly there yet? asks Peppa. No, Peppa, says Daddy Pig, laughing. We won't get there until tomorrow morning. But where will we sleep? asks Peppa. Here, says Daddy Pig, pressing a button. Suddenly 4 beds appear. Magic beds, gasps Peppa. Mummy Pig presses another button that opens a secret door. And a magic bathroom? gasps Peppa, peeking inside. Choo 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 choo, cries George. He loves the magic train. I wonder what this is for, says Daddy Pig, pressing another button. Daddy found the magic shower, says Peppa, giggling. Everyone puts on their pajamas. Peppa and George hop into their beds. Choo 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 choo, cries George. He loves sleeping on the train. Peppa and George soon fall fast asleep. The train keeps moving while they are sleeping. Chugga 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 choo choo choo. In the morning, Miss Rabbit serves breakfast. Aren't you mean to be driving the train, Miss Rabbit? asks Daddy Pig. It's fine, says Miss Rabbit. The train runs on rails. It can't get lost. Soon after breakfast, the train arrives at the station. A big crowd is waiting for Daddy Pig. Daddy Pig gets off the train and steps some concrete. Thunk, thunk. Very good, he says, and the crowd cheers. My work is done, says Daddy Pig. Let's take the train home. Goody, says Peppa. We can sleep on the train again. Choo, 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 cheers George. He loves the train. Everyone loves the train. Choo-choo train. The end. I hope you love the story. We will see you again with another adventurous story of Peppa and George. Till then, see you again. Love you all. Bye-bye.
Booktube Kids.